Login failed on BMO InvestorLine Fix. You sit down to review your portfolio or make a quick trade, but suddenly login failed. If you use BMO InvestorLine, this can be stressful, especially when markets are moving fast. But don't panic, the fix is usually straightforward. Start by confirming your login details. Many users make a simple mistake, typing their password incorrectly or using an old saved login from the browser. Manually enter your credentials and double-check that caps lock isn't on. If you still can't get in, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option. BMO will send a verification link to your registered email or phone number. Once you reset it, make sure your new password meets their security requirements, at least 8 characters with both letters and numbers. Next, check your browser compatibility. BMO InvestorLine works best on modern browsers like Chrome, Safari or Edge. Outdated browsers or security extensions may block access. Clear your cookies and cache, close your browser and try again. If you're logging in from a new device, BMO might temporarily block access as a security precaution. In that case, check your email or text messages for an authentication code. Entering that code will verify your device and restore access. Network security can also be the culprit. If you're on a work network or using a VPN, most system might flag your login as suspicious. Disable the VPN or switch to a home or mobile connection before retrying. Finally, BMO occasionally performs maintenance during late night hours or weekends. During that time, logins may fail temporarily. Wait 15 minutes and try again later if everything else seems correct. Once you've regained access, enable two-step verification for extra protection. It not only strengthens your account, but also reduces future login headaches. By verifying your credentials, clearing your browser and checking your network, you can fix most BMO InvestorLine login failures quickly. With these steps, you'll be back to managing your investment securely and efficiently.